Hello and welcome to another episode. Today we will talk about how to connect and use ViewLink with our ViewPro cameras. First, we need the next materials: a ViewLink remote controller, HDMI, Ethernet, S-Bus and power supply cables, an antenna, a ViewLink air unit, and of course a ViewPro gimbal camera and connector. Now, let's start by first grabbing the ViewLink air unit and connect the power supply cables. Then, the S-Bus cable. It is worth mentioning that you only need to use the S-Bus 1 cable set. Here I have a ViewLink 1.0, therefore I will be connecting it through the HDMI cable. It is worth mentioning that the ViewLink 1.1 can connect through Ethernet and HDMI, but here today we will only connect it through HDMI. Now let's finish the S-Bus connection. Please grab this cable. This cable comes within your view port and connect it directly to the UART port. There we go. Now please grab the S-Bus section of this cable. To know which one is this section, please check the viewport marks. Once you identified which one belongs to the S-Bus, please grab it and connect it to the air unit, ground to ground, and S-Bus to S-Bus. Please follow the marks. We are here just showing you, but honestly you should try a more professional connection for yourself. Now, if you are using ViewLink 1.1 and you want to connect through Ethernet instead of HDMI, you will need to change the camera's IP address. To do this, please connect your gimbal camera to your PC via serial port or TCP. In this case, we will connect via TCP. On the TCP remote IP, please write the following IP address: 192.168.2.119. On the port, please write 2000. When you're ready, please click Connect. Then go to Settings and Camera Settings. Now in here, change the camera IP as shown on the screen. When you're finished, press Submit to save the changes. Now click Reboot and OK to restart the video stream. To be able to visualize your camera's video feed on ViewLink, you will also need to change your computer's TCP IPv4 IP address as follows. On your PC, open Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, then click on Ethernet, Properties, and on TCP IPv4. In here, change the IP and default gateway as shown on the screen. Then press on Accept and go to ViewLink again. Please change the RTSP link and TCP IP address. Now let's go back to the HearLink connection. If this is the first time you use your remote controller, you might need to bind the receiver to the controller. To do this, please power on your HearLink remote controller and air unit. Then wait for the app to open and expand the screen's upper menu and press on HearLink settings. On the radio section, click on Pair while pressing the Pair Reset button on the air unit. Please wait till you see the pairing successful notice. By now, the LED 2 on the air unit should be on, and a video stream displayed on the remote control screen. You can now proceed to set up the remote control buttons. On the HearLink remote control, open the screen top menu and open the HearLink settings. On the joystick section, you can see the channels that correspond to each button and joystick. Knowing this, now you can proceed to open ViewLink and connect your gimbal camera via serial port to your PC. Now, on ViewLink, go to Settings, Remote Control, and select the channels to each action according to the channels displayed on your remote control. When you are finished, press on Save and perform a test to verify whether or not it is performing as expected. Well, after all this, that will be all for today. Thank you and see you next time.